There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong one. There ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong one. There ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
Mic test.
Mic test, test mic. Ano ay?
For all SCs and our dear partners, we will be live in 5 minutes. Please like and share our live stream po. Thank you. Our live stream is via Facebook page and in YouTube via Hyundai Naga City Bicol and IMJ Interactive. Guys, naka-live na po kita. Please share our live stream. Thank you. Also, please use the hashtag Hyundai Naga and hashtag Hybrid Revolution.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no
Guys, mag-like and share na kita kung sa tuyang live stream.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our live stream here at Hyundai Naga. I'm Jom Spider and
I'm Casey 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙀𝙗𝙀.
we're so glad you could join us today again. Here we are. Whether you're tuning in from home, work, or anywhere else, thank you for being here with us.
Yes, so today we've got something really exciting lined up. This 2-day event will bring together our trade-in partners so you can get on the spot appraisal of your current vehicle. Our bank and insurance partner, especially Standard Insurance, is here with us today. And of course, our service and accessories team, so you can discover genuine accessories and service promos.
Before we move forward, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of you, our trade-in partners, bank partners, our major sponsors like Standard Insurance and of course Babam Car Care Service, and of course our loyal customers in our community whose support and inspiration make this journey possible. Without you, we wouldn't be here today. We also want to acknowledge the exceptional individuals and teams who have poured their hearts and soul into this project. We also like to extend our gratitude to IMJ Interactive, Ledtronics, and our caterer Urban Wood Naga. Now is the perfect time to discover the future of driving with fuel-efficient, tech-savvy, and stylish hybrid vehicles all in one place.
Yun. So, Ma'am Jom, all in one place. So, ano po ba ang mga makikita ng mga customers natin for this 2 days event? So, as mentioned earlier, yan nga, no? Andito yung mga bank officer natin, insurance, and even the service team, so they could check the exclusive deals and discounts, hassle-free trade-in options, and finance and insurance support. Ngayon, ma'am, nandito yung ating insurance partner. So, ma'am, let's go to our insurance partner. Join us.
Actually, this is a store within the store, guys. So, yung mga planong magpa-insured, mag-renew, kumuha ng mga personal accident insurance, and then CTPL, third-party liability insurance, you can have it here in our dealer.
Yun. So, ayun no, lahat na nandito na sa Hyundai Naga. So, yung mga nakakakita ng live stream natin ngayon, wag nang pahuhulip. Pwede na po tayong pumunta dito sa aming dealership so that you will avail our promos and offerings. So, here we are. Here with us is our lovely insurance officer from Standard Insurance. Madam, ano po ba ang magandang pangalan natin?
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Karen Joy Barquilla from Standard Insurance Naga.
Yan, syempre, lahat may gustong itanong, with regards to our insurance. Can you give us a quick overview of what Standard Insurance offer to customer today? By the way, congratulations. It's their anniversary. What year? 60?
It's our 67th anniversary.
Oy, congratulations!
Leslie, congratulations!
A round of applause, 67 years na sila. So that's
67
how
years.
stable Standard Insurance is.
Yeah. So yun nga, balik tayo sa question namin.
Opo, good afternoon again. So, for today, we celebrate our 67th anniversary, and for this event, we highlight our car insurance or our car protect. So, we highlight our comprehensive and CTPL insurance. But aside from that, we also offer many insurance like travel insurance, personal accident, family protect, and also house protect. That's all.
Ayun. So, for those who are new to car ownership, bakit importante ang car insurance?
Okay. For those new vehicle owner, it is important po na meron tayong car insurance kasi very prone po tayo na maka-experience ng serious partial losses or total loss. Pwede din po tayo maka-experience ng carjacking, carnapping, and theft. Also, pwede din po tayo maka-cause ng injuries to other people or sa mga passengers sa sakyan. Also din po, pwede magkaroon ng damage ang unit due to calamity. So, it's important po na covered ang sasakyan natin in any circumstances. Like, safe tayo, confident tayo na piumahe, na secured and financially protected. And then, kung interested po kayo, we are located at 4th floor, Deca Building, Panganiban Drive, Naga City. And then in standard, our transformative purpose is to provide peace of mind to all mankind. Thank you po.
Wow. Ayun. So, ayun talagang well explained ni Ma'am Karen, no? So, napaka-importante naman talaga ng insurance. Kasi ako, sa 10 years ko sa industriyang to, madami na po ako na-experience ng mga customers na total loss. And ang laking tulong po ng insurance pagka meron pa silang remaining balance to pay off, diba?
Yes po.
Ayun.
So, what type of car insurance does Standard Insurance offer?
We offer po comprehensive insurance and CTPL. When we say po CTPL, it is the compulsory third-party liability. And comprehensive insurance po, it covers the whole car, or the coverage po is own damage and theft, acts of nature, third-party bodily injury, third-party property damage, and personal accident po sa mga passenger.
Thank you.
Nice. So, paano po ba ang process ng claims pag, magkiklaim na ng insurance, Miss Karen?
Okay po. Sa process naman po ng claim, when it comes po sa comprehensive or when I say po na own damage, meron po tayong 30 days para makapag-report ng claim. When it comes naman po sa AUN, meron po tayong 7 days. So, sa standard po, ang fastest po namin na pwedeng i-provide ang LOA is within 24 hours. Basta po kompleto yung kompleto po yung requirements, and then hindi naman po sobrang lala ng damage ng sasakyan, we assure you na kaya po namin mag-provide ng LOA within 24 hours po.
Oh, thank you ha. Ano tayo dyan. At least meron kayo mga nagbibigay na info with those clients na hindi po nag-aalam-alam with the CTPL, and then also yung personal accident insurance. Very important and very, very mura lang po siya. 1 year na siyang babayaran. So mura lang. And yun na nga, ano ba yung mga promos na binibigay ni Standard ngayon?
So dahil po nag-celebrate kami ng aming 67th anniversary, meron po kaming promo para sa ating mga credit card user. 12 months po, zero interest for 12 months po. Yan po, para sa mga comprehensive insurance po.
For a minimum of 7,000, no?
Yes po.
Wow. So, 12 months to pay and
Yes
zero
po.
interest. Ang galing nun, no? So, sa lahat ng mga nagplano na kumuha ng insurance na offering ni Standard Insurance, so meron po silang 12 months to pay, zero interest. Ang galing. Ang galing, no? So, I believe there are other promos pa na nandito. So, meron sila Ma'am Zoms na accident insurance for, may nakita ako dito eh. Di ba Ma'am Karen? For as low as 60 pesos.
Yes po, 60 pesos covered na po kayo for 1 year.
Ay, 65 actually.
65 pesos po.
Yan. For 1 year.
1 year coverage.
So, ano po ba yung package itong 65 pesos na to?
Package po nito is accidental death and disablement, medical and surgical expenses, except motorcycling risk and due to motorcycling risk. Meron din po itong burial expense and unprovoked murder and assault. Yan po yung mga coverage namin sa personal accident insurance.
Ayun.
Galing po.
Thank you naman.
Thank you so much.
So,
Thank you, Ma'am Karen.
thank you very, very much.
Alright.
And congratulations and happy
po.
anniversary
Yan,
sa
happy
Standard
anniversary.
Insurance.
Thank you once again, Standard Insurance.
Shout out
Okay, so Ma'am Zoms, I believe we still have other offerings here in our store, within the store.
Yeah. Guys, kami lang yung gumagawa niyan dito sa Naga, ng mga automotive dito. Kami lang po yung merong store within the store today.
Yeah.
So, at saka kung naalala nyo, di ba nagkaroon kami ng mga launching na naka-live. So guys, always look at our page, Hyundai Naga City, Bicol. And please like and share.
Yes.
Kasi marami pa exciting na mangyayari today, guys. So marami kaming pasabog this afternoon.
True.
Anyways, Case?
Yes. So here with us, Ma'am Zoms, is our napakagwapong, yan, service manager, and of course, may we call on our service parts advisor, Sir Celso, and our service manager, Sir Zon Abdua. Sige po, pakilala muna tayo, sir.
Once again, good afternoon sa mga visitors from the banks, insurance, and other partners that we have. Welcome po sa Hyundai. And of course, sa customers, ma'am, good afternoon po. This is another milestone for us, no? Not only for us employees, but of course with all the partners that we have in the industry, especially here in Region 5. We are happy to announce that we all have, again, every day is an innovation. Every day is an exciting day for all of us. Especially kita po sa automotive, and with our brand, palaog na po kita duman sa latest era kang technology kang auto. Of course, we have the hybrid, no? And even the full or the FEV, full electric vehicle, we also have it. But for the time being, we will introduce to the market here in Region 5 the hybrid variants. We have the Santa Fe, Kona, Elantra, and Tucson. So I think that's for now. No. By the way, I'm John Abdua, handling the after sales of Hyundai Naga City. Case.
Thank you, Sir John. Okay, so syempre pakilala din natin ang ating parts supervisor. Sige po, pakilala tayo, sir.
By the way, I'm Celso Belleca, a parts supervisor of Hyundai Naga City.
Ayun, Sir Celso. So may mga katanungan tayo dito, no? Usually ito din po yung mga questions ng ating mga customers. So first, meron po ba tayong current promos or discount, direct to the point na, sa ating Hyundai Periodic Maintenance Service, Sir John?
Okay, so wala nang patumpik-tumpik, direkta talaga.
Direkta na.
Well, anyway,
Direkta.
what we have now sa existing na kang Hyundai is we have the spin a wheel. So lumang-luma na po yan, yung ruleta. For those customers na igwa pong appointment digdi sa Muya, you can avail. We have the sa spin a wheel mi po sa Hyundai. There are exciting prizes that you can win while having your appointment with us. Mga special collection items. So a lot to mention, but of course those are mga mga useful in our daily lives. And aside from it, glad to announce that starting this August, next Sunday, what's next Sunday?
August 8, sir.
8? If I'm right, August 8. Next Sunday.
Next Sunday.
Not this Sunday, next Sunday. August 9, okay. Thank you, Casey. August 9, gabos po na may Hyundai na auto, mag-igdi ka mo sa Muya, free car wash.
Wow.
Free car wash, mayo ka mong babayadan. Magdigdi lang po kamo, but of course, we will do it on an appointment system. Kasi po, pag walk-in lang, magkakagulo-gulo. We could cause traffic here in the Rosario. You could have it appointment ng auto nindo digdi sa reception from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. And then we will have your units or vehicles washed every Sunday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's free to all of us Bicolanos.
May year model ba, sir, na fina-follow?
No year model as long as you drive Hyundai vehicle.
Nice.
Nice.
Come here and we will wash your vehicles.
Sir, correction lang. August 10 po yung Sunday.
I'm sorry. Stand corrected. August 10 po. Starting August 10. Come and visit us for a free car wash. And we have the latest that Hyundai offers to, I think not necessarily offer, but we share with our less fortunate brothers and sisters. We have a charity or a partnership with Good Neighbors. Good Neighbors. For the details, I think we will publish it soon. But just to preempt, matabang po kita sa mga kapusta na mga tugang. And we have selected some strategic, or for those really less fortunates na mga tugang tapo. In every service that you have with us, we will partake and we will share with them at least 150 pesos per vehicle. Imagine, pira po ang nagpapaserbisyo sa Muya sa Naga na auto, sa Legazpi, sa NCR, and other provincial and Vismin dealers. That's a lot, I think, no? That's a lot. So ang period po niyan is that's sorry yung kodigo ko pigano ko lang. That will be on August 1 until September 30. So it will take 2 months. 2 months in the making po na gigibon yan kang Hyundai. So that is part of our corporate social responsibility to our less fortunate brethrens, and in partnership of course sa distributor kang Hyundai Philippines. What else? The free car wash, the spin a wheel. We have this charity work in partnership with Good Neighbors. By the way, Good Neighbors is garo organization na itong nagtatabang sa itong mga tugang na nasa they're yung hanap buhay ninda is garo Smoky Mountain. They pick up trashes and sell it, and then yun na, araw daw yan na po ang source kang pangabuhay ninda. So that's why we really emphasize that we have this we are glad to announce sa Philippine market that we have this program introduced by our distributor in the country.
Thank you, Hyundai.
Yun lang muna for now no, yun lang muna ang mga promos and mga exciting na we announce. And again, as I've said earlier, every day is an innovation, every day is an exciting day for all of us. Casey?
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you. Galing.
Thank you, Sir John. Let's go back to business. Celso,
Ayun.
we have a promo ba or at least discounts for parts?
Yes, starting today, August 1 to 2, we offer the genuine parts biggest garage sale. PMS parts to, like for example, bushing, stubbling, we offer 10% discount and 20% for labor. Si gustong ipakabitig sa to.
Wow, 10% discount and 10% discount for parts and 20% discount for labor. Ayun, andito pala siya naka-indicate, no? So, this is for those old units, no? May year model ba tong fina-follow, Sir Celso?
Only for
Old models. Okay.
All models?
Nice. So, calling out all Hyundai owners. So, feel free to go to our Hyundai Naga Casa para naman ma-avail itong napakalaking discount, no? And I believe meron pa tayong mga freebies, sir, eh. Kasi 'di ba, meron tayong free check-up or diagnostic promo. Meron din tayo niyan, Sir John.
It's not a promo. It's a dorm for us. We have a free 23-point check-up. That's for free. So it's not a promo, it's not a program, but it is part of our daily routine. to conduct a free 23-point check-up, computer scan with your vehicles. Anytime, if you have long distance travel, long distance trip, you drop by here. So we can ensure that your vehicle is always in shape before hitting the road.
Ayun.
Ayun. Thank you. Oh guys, please visit us here in Hyundai Naga City. Also, we also have a branch in Legazpi. By the way, next week we also have this launching in Legazpi sa mga albayanos dyan na nakikinig or nanonood din sa amin. You can visit us there on August 7 and 8.
Yan. So, August 7 and 8. So, yan. Meron pa po ba tayo mga idadagdag na programa sa ating parts and service?
Okay. Meron pa po. Thank you, Casey, sa reminders. Again, i-iterate ko lang po ha. For this 2 days event that we have, August 1 and August 2, 10% discount on selected items. Naka-post po digdi sa showroom eh. And 20% on those old models. 20% off for labor. And to continue, we will also introduce with you or remind the public of the region, especially sa mga igwapong autong Hyundai, nagkakandak po kaming caravan across the region. So we have selected areas like Sorsogon City, we have Viracatanduanes, and we have Daet Camarines Norte. See, we do it on a quarterly basis, no? Cycle lang po siya, paikot-ikot lang.
So, that's how dedicated our service team is, di ba, Sir John?
Yep. And we have also the body repair services, paint and body repair and paint services. We have here in Naga and we have one in Legazpi. No worries during rainy days, no worries during typhoon. Safe ang mga area mi. And we have a paint booth or oven para po i-bake ang mga auto after sa pagpipintura po. So, we do not worry. Please do not worry kung atag-ulan ngaya, paano yan, maano ang ang auto mi. So, take it off. We have the paint booth. Pwede siyang gigibuhon mi ang trabaho sa pagpintura ng auto even during rainy days, even typhoon season. But of course, we will be bounded sa ng government. Kung ano yung mandatory instruction ng government. But beyond that, every day we are open here.
Yan.
Yun. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir John.
Service Department and
Yes.
Parts Department.
Ikaw, Sir Celso, mayroon pa tayong
Guys,
idadagdag?
kami po dito sa Hyundai Naga, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta pa dito ngayon kasi andito nga, nanonood kayo sa amin. You can chat if you have questions with regard to accessories, parts, and kung ano po yung question nyo na pwede nyong itanong, magtanong na kayo kasi naka-live naman tayo with Facebook and YouTube. So you can chat us, directly PM us, or kung ano po yung mas convenient sa inyo. You can also ask the prices of our cars, especially now that we have this hybrid variants.
Ayun, hybrid, Ma'am Zoms. So, yun po ang pinaka-highlight ng event natin ngayon. And of course, I believe, Sir John, we are super ready when it comes to after sales. Kasi syempre, iba na rin yung approach natin when it comes to hybrid models, diba, Sir John?
Of course, every day, ready.
Yun, perfect. So actually, back-to-back na po ang mga trainings natin, not only with sales, but also with the after sales. Now, we are excited to impart with you the units that we offer here in Hyundai Naga. So, for this live stream, I think, Ma'am Zoms,
We'll just have to take a break, guys, para naman bago nyo makita yung aming mga hybrid na naka-line up, is ready yung mga puso nyo.
ayun.
Diba?
So,
ready kayo na ma-surprise. Kasi guys, kung makikita nyo sa showroom, yung 4 na units namin na hybrid, andito siya. But, we have a surprise for you later on.
Ayun, may surprise. So excited ako dyan, Ma'am Zoms. So, we'll quick break lang tayo. We'll be back in a span of 10 to 15 minutes. So, see you on our second part of our live stream. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when I.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when I.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, there's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
there's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use to see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
there's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe, open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's not belong when there ain't no soul. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
Test. Gabos yan na, okay? Alright.
Mic test, mic. Mic test, test mic.
Test mic. Okay. Ako. Tapos, Ma'am Zoms, Sir Eugene. Tapos, pabisto tayo mga bank partners. Diba, sir? So, welcome back lang, sir. Welcome back to our second portion of live stream here at Hyundai Naga. Okay, so alam ko excited na ang lahat para ma-witness ang mga bagong lineup dito sa Hyundai Naga. Okay, so before we proceed, we have here our napakagwapong at napakamatipunong branch head.
Yes, our very own Sir Eugene.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. Again, to our bank partners, thank you for being with us to celebrate, ano ba sinaselebrate natin? Ngayong mga hybrid models ng Hyundai. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for being with us.
Ayan, thank you Sir Eugene. Anyway, guys, eto na nga, andito na tayo sa ating second part. But before that, we also have here our beautiful ladies from the banks. Sila yung ating mga bank partners na andito ngayon na talagang nagsusupport sa atin. Ayan, pakilala ko ang ating beautiful Miss BDO.
Hi everyone. Ano ba sasabihin ko, ma'am? Okay. Good afternoon. I'm Ems from BDO.
Ayan. Eto namang naka-purple.
Hi, I'm Candy from Express Bank.
Good afternoon, Miss Elna from PS Bank. I'm Jane from BPI.
Ayan, thank you ladies. Thank you talaga sa pag-support sa amin.
Ayun.
We really
Ayan, for
appreciate
many years,
it.
Ma'am Zoms, isa talaga po kayo sa mga nakatulong sa Hyundai Naga para maging successful. And kung ano man ang meron tayo ngayon, is isa po sila talaga sa mga parte ng success ni Hyundai Naga. And thank you very much for always being there, for your support all the way.
Yes, of course. Meron pa din naman kaming iba mga partners like RCBC, Maybank, and then China Bank Savings. Opo. Thank you din sa inyo guys. Pero alam ko susunod daw sila.
Yun.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Case, alam mo, ito yung pinaka-exciting part ngayon kasi yun na nga, doon tayo sa ating hybrid revolution, di ba, Case? But anyways, gusto ko lang din, Case, malaman, ano, kasi, di ba, minsan paulit-ulit ko tinatanong sa'yo. By the way, guys, ang ipa-introduce ko sa inyo si Casey, siya yung aming dealer sales trainer, siya yung expert pagdating sa
Naku
mga
naman, ma'am.
units. So, talagang dependent ako dyan kay Casey pagdating sa mga units specification. So, Case, please
Pressure
help me.
naman yan, Ma'am Zoms.
Please help us with regards to our hybrid. By the way, bago muna ang lahat, ano ang hybrid? Please explain it to us.
Ayun. So, pag sinabi kasi nating hybrid, in general, no, it's a combination of two elements. Diba? Nakita natin sa mga movies, sa plants, dalawang elemento na pinag-combine. Now, when it comes to automotive, it's a combination of two engine. We have the gasoline engine and the electric motor. So, ano ang pinaka-goal nito, Ma'am Zoms? Basically, ang goal niya is mas ma-maximize ang fuel efficiency. So, compared sa full gasoline engine, compared to hybrid, 30 to 50% ang pwedeng maitipid nito pagka naka-hybrid vehicle. So, paano po ba siya nag-work? So, basically, when you turn on a hybrid engine at low speed or mga low RPM, electric motor muna yung gagana niyan. Electric motor. And then, pagka running na siya around 40 to 50, saka po papasok si engine. Magtutulungan sila. Pero meron din pong tinatawag na state of charge. So, kumbaga halimbawa, kahit pa nasa 30 km per hour po yung takbo, pero yung electric motor, battery ng electric motor is 30% na lang, papasok na ngayon si engine. Mag-shutdown yung battery ng electric motor. So, paano ito na-charge? Na-charge po siya through regenerative braking. Ayun, kaka-brake po ayun, it captures energy and charges the battery while you step on the brakes. So that's how it charges. And yung maganda po sa hybrid ni Hyundai is what we have is parallel hybrid. So ang kagandahan po sa amin is self-charging po yung mga hybrid models natin. So unlike po sa ibang hybrid in the market, you have to charge the battery. You have to charge it to maximize the potential of the electric motor. But what we have in our hybrid models is, kumbaga, self-charging na lang siya, and very smart na po ang ating vehicles. Siya na po yung nagdidictate kung anong kailangan niya. If it's electric motor or the gasoline engine. So, ganun po kaganda yung hybrid natin. And another thing, Ma'am Zoms, matagal na po si Hyundai gumagamit nitong technology na to. We've been using hybrid models since 2019, 2018 even. So, meron po kami isang kliyente na he's using ionic hybrid. And napagkwentuhan po namin na pinakamatipid niya pong na-accumulate. Well, talagang hindi po siya nag-overtake. Low speed, 60 km per liter. Ang tipid-tipid nun, di ba? Halos wala ka ng kinukonsumong fuel nun. So, possible po siya with our current lineup. The parallel hybrid of Hyundai. Ayun, so I hope nakatulong po yun, Ma'am Zoms.
Wow, thank you, Casey. Thank you again sa pag-explain. Paulit-ulit mo talaga sa akin ina-explain kasi gusto ko talagang paulit-ulit talaga siyang pumasok sa isip at puso ko. Kasi nga, eto na si Hyundai, maraming dumagdag na mga hybrid variants. And yun, guys, ladies, baka gusto nyo din i-consider ang getting a hybrid units. Lalong-lalo na yung mga gusto na mag-change ng unit.
Or baka may ma-share din po ba kayo? Ano masasabi niyo sa mga vehicle lineup na nakita niyo po ngayon this afternoon? Who wants to share?
Well, maganda yung mga features ng each unit and mas lalo pa siguro namin maintindihan once ma-explain na yung mga features of each unit na nandito ngayon.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ems.
Ayun, and also Ma'am Jane, ano po ba ang masasabi natin sa mga lineup ng units natin with Hyundai?
Siyempre, when it comes to hybrid, siyempre ngayon talagang yung high, yung presyo ng gasolina. So, talagang it's a very advantageous naman sa when it comes kung naka-hybrid siya. Super tipid. Sulit.
Perfect.
Yeah, syempre gusto ko rin marinig yung boses ng ating East West Bank na Miss Candy.
And of course, the appearance ng mga units natin, sophisticated, very sophisticated and professional looking.
Ayun. How about our beautiful Ma'am Elna from PS Bank?
Sa akin naman kasi, pag sinabi kasing hybrid, yung mga client natin is, di ba, out of curiosity, talagang pupunta sila sa mga showroom. So, kumbaga, yun na yung in-demand talaga, yung hybrid niya.
Ayun. Alright, thank you so much sa mga insights.
Thank you so much, girls, ladies. Thank you sa inyong support talaga sa amin. Kaya ngayong month na to, sigurado ko, madami kaming approval ng hybrid. From these ladies na.
So all banks, nag-a-approve po tayo ng hybrid models. Yes. Okay. So, siguro wag na natin itong patagalin, Ma'am Zobs. Alam ko, ang mga viewers po natin is excited na kung ano po ba yung mga units natin na ino-offer dito sa Hyundai Naga. Okay? So, without further ado, let's now enter the new era of mobility. So, may we call on our very own sales consultant, Zara Ocol, to give us a quick walk around of the all-new Hyundai Elantra.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarah, and today, excited po akong i-share sa inyo ang sleek and stylish na si Hyundai Elantra. Hello. Ang sedan na perfect para sa modern lifestyle, smart tech, at matipid na performance. Sa front po natin, mapapansin natin ang aggressive na parametric grille with LED and daytime running lights, plus the sharp nose hood that gives it a sophisticated and sporty look. Dito naman po tayo sa side profile. Sa side profile naman po, mapapansin po natin yung kanya pong coupe-like silhouette, sharp body lines, and 16 inches alloy wheels for that premium vibe. Meron din po siyang fastback style roofline for added style and better aerodynamics. Dito naman po tayo sa likod. Dito naman po sa likod, nag-stand out po yung kanyang H-shape LED tail lights. Dito naman po, meron po tayong smart trunk. Dito na lang po tayo sa interior naman. Yung Elantra po natin, it features a driver-focused cockpit with soft-touch materials. Meron din po siyang 10.25 inches digital cluster, 8 inches touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron din po siyang dual-zone climate control, push-start, power seats, and wireless charging. Kompleto na rin po ito ng kanyang safety features. Meron po siyang smart cruise control, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist. Meron din po siyang 6 airbags, front and rear sensors. Sa hood naman, meron po tayong 1.6-liter hybrid engine with 141 maximum power output and 147 Nm torque paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, fuel-efficient at smooth i-drive. So kung hanap niya ang sedan na stylish, techy, safe at matipid, check out the Hyundai Elantra, a solid value for money. Available po siya in 4 variants. Just let us know kung ano po yung priorities nyo. And then once again, I'm Sarah, your sales consultant. And then you can visit us here at Hyundai Naga del Rosario. And then we also have showroom in 𝙃𝙮𝙯 and then sa Legazpi din po. Thank you and see you soon po.
Ayun, so thank you very much, Zara Ocol, no? So, talagang very detailed yung pag-walk around niya ng ating Hyundai Elantra. Ako nga, the way I describe it, ma'am, it's like, di ba, parang sports car na siya for a compact sedan. Ang laki ng space niya at the same time, very futuristic and very sporty looking itong si Elantra. So, yes, available po ito sa hybrid models and I believe, Ma'am Jones, meron din po tayong ibang variants for Hyundai Elantra.
Yes, yung ating mga ICE.
Full ICE, yes.
Yeah. So yung Elantra po natin, may other variants siya. At the minimum of 1,065,000, ang price natin.
Yes, ang price natin for Hyundai Elantra entry-level price is 1,065,000. So, 1,065,000, ganito na kagandang unit ang meron i-offer si Elantra. Para ka nang naka-sports car di ba? So, now...
And then yung ating GL Automatic, it's 1,140,000. And then the N-Line 7DCT is 1.795. And then our hybrid, it's 1,480,000. And then ang ating premium hybrid is 1,680,000 po. Yun. So, yan. Actually, guys, Elantra pa lang yan. Ito pala yung ating sedan type na hybrid.
Yes. So, hindi po nagtatapos dyan ang aming lineup ng hybrid models. This is just the start. So, Elantra, back then, full ICE lang to. Pero now, it is back with the new technology and comes now with hybrid engine. Now, of course, Ma'am Jones, meron pa tayong ibang unit na i-present this afternoon.
Yes, of course. And syempre, ang magpe-present niyan sa atin ay walang iba kundi ang ating dashing Miss Jonalyn Asay de Choso.
Hello. Thank you, Ma'am Jom. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon and welcome to Hyundai Naga. By the way, I am Jo Asay, Certified Sales Consultant of Hyundai. So, for today, ipapakita ko sa inyo isa sa pinaka-powerful SUV in the market which is available in the Philippines. A bold, dynamic design, a sleek and with the advanced technology, with a fuel-efficient, eco-friendly, the all-new Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. For the Hyundai Tucson, we also have the parametric dual grille with the hidden LED daytime running lights and also the LED projector lights for more stylish and for more visibility. For the Tucson Hybrid Electric vehicle, it combines electric motors with gas engine for better economy. And then under the hood, it's powered by a 1.6 turbo gasoline engine paired with an electric motor with a 235 horsepower per discharge combined with a 367 Newton meter combined with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Yes, sobrang tipid nito, powerful, sobrang tipid. So ang ganda ng Hyundai Tucson natin. So as you can see with this engine, combined gasoline and electric motors, very fuel efficient and then powerful with this 235 horsepower. Okay, guys. We will proceed for the side. We also have for the side the rim 19, which is we also have the 181 ground clearance. We have the engine remote start with immobilizer, and then the surround camera with the 360 degrees. Very sporty and silhouette bold design for this Hyundai Tucson. As you can see, sobrang ano na siya, fluidic sculpture in design niya. Very fuel efficient and then eco-friendly. And for the rear naman, we have the high mount stop lamp for more visibility for the buses, any cars. And also, we also have the hidden rear wiper for that clean and modern finish. We have the integrated logo emblem sa window for more clean layout. And also, for the Tucson Hybrid, this is equipped with the power tailgate for more convenience. And then for the space cargo, we have the spacious design, and we have the 60/40 split folded. And mas perfect para sa mga balikbayan box, and then for the groceries or any mga luggage na pwede nyong ilagay. And we also have the cargo screen for this Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. So ang maganda nito is pwede nito itong tanggalin. So detachable pa itong screen niya. And also, sa rear naman, nandito naman yung lalagyan ng spare tire for your convenience, na hindi siya mananakaw or mawawala. So very convenient, very powerful for this Tucson. And also, dito naman tayo sa side. So sa side na ito, sa loob, mas feel mo yung pagka-premium vibe ng Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, which is we also have the 12.3 digital cluster with the 12.3 touchscreen monitor with Apple CarPlay wireless with Android Auto. And then we have the dual zone auto climate control with the leather seats materials. And also we have the panoramic sunroof, one touch. We also have the paddle shifter, the shift-by-wire transmission, and also you can adjust it by tilt and telescopic adjustment. For the convenience, for the Hyundai Tucson, we also have the ADAS features or the Smart Sense. So this is convenient. We also have the 6 airbag for the driver, passenger side, and curtain. So this is loaded with the Smart Sense technology. We also have the forward collision avoidance assist. It gives warning or brakes to avoid hitting cars or obstacle ahead. We also have the rear occupant alert. It alerts the driver to check back seats for passengers. We have the lane keeping assist. It gently steers the car back if drifting out of lane. And also we have the blind spot collision avoidance assist. It warns and brake if a lane change would cause or a crash. We also have the 360 parking sensor, the rear cross traffic alert. So ano pang hinahanap nyo? Go for the Hyundai Tucson, which is available sa market, sa Philippines, and also sa dealer. Kung hanap nyo is stylish and powerful SUV, eco-friendly, powerful, go for the Hyundai Tucson. Once again, I am 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀, your certified sales consultant of Hyundai Naga. Come and visit our showroom for more promos, offer for financing schemes or trade-in options. You can visit our showroom here at Rosario, Naga City. See you there. Thank you.
All right, so a round of applause to our very own 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧. Okay, so very detailed po yung explanation natin ng Hyundai Tucson hybrid. So ayun, dalawang units na po yung ating nailatag sa madlang people for basically ito po yung mga lineup natin ng hybrid. Now, for the price for Hyundai Tucson, we actually have 3 variants, no? Let me share with you our gas variant also. So ito ay full gasoline engine. The price is 1,680,000. Now for our diesel engine, ang price niya po is 1,980,000. Now, if you would like to get our Hyundai Tucson hybrid, our price is 2,290,000. But of course, if you'd go for financing option, malaki po yung ating mga discount when it comes to down payment. Alright, so kaya naman po, let us now proceed to another unit, another lineup of hybrid here in Hyundai Naga. So now, to give you a closer look of our Hyundai Santa Fe, let us now call on our very own na napakagandang Miss France Datiles.
Grabe. Thank you so much, Ma'am Casey. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon sa mga nanonood live and of course, nandito sa showroom natin. And I'm here ulit. By the way, I'm Marie France Castillo Datiles. I'm a certified sales consultant of Hyundai Naga City. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-excite yung mga units natin ngayon kasi tapos pa lang tayo sa Tucson, Elantra, which is we have a lots of hybrid ngayon. Sobrang nakaka-excite kasi for today's video, ang naka-assign po sa akin is for the Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, where power meets purpose. Grabe! Sobrang ganda talaga ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin, which is this is our flagship SUV na 7-seater with a perfect combination ng rugged capability, premium comfort, at hybrid innovation. Kung papansinin nyo, kung titingnan nyo lang siya sa personal, sobrang gwapo, sobrang, kumbaga, no weak angle talaga si Hyundai Santa Fe natin. Front pa lang, mapapawaw ka na. Very stand out na agad yung bold, boxy design with Hyundai signature H-shape, LED daytime running lights, and of course, yung wide front grille niya. Grabe, tingnan nyo naman, sobrang gwapo ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin. Sa harap pa lang yan of course, whether city drive or adventure trip, the Santa Fe makes a strong impression. Grabe. How about sa side ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin? Tara, let's proceed to this side. Grabe, side pa lang, front, sobrang ganda ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin. And of course, mapapansin mo, ang 20-inch alloy wheels with the muscular fenders. Pakita natin ang ating Hyundai Santa Fe alloy wheels. Sobrang ganda. And of course, very elegant, very clean profile. Tough, yet elegant ang dating. Yan. And pakita ko naman po sa inyo yung handle assist ng Hyundai Santa Fe calligraphy natin, which is the hybrid. We have here, ito yung maganda dito. Actually, we have 4 variants of Hyundai Santa Fe. Ang meron lang po ng handle assist, the calligraphy hybrid, and the calligraphy alone, which is the ICE din po. This one po, ano bang purpose nito? Of course, this will give you easy access kung halimbawa aakyat po kayo dito sa taas to clean and to get something po sa taas. So, ito yung handle assist natin. Yan, side pa lang. And of course, they have a roof rail with 170mm ground clearance. Side pa lang yan, sobrang ganda na. How about sa likod naman tayo? Tara, tingnan natin. Let's proceed to the back of our Hyundai Santa Fe. Yan. Actually, ang ganda dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe kasi they have a big space. Napakaganda ng likod niya. And of course, naka-power tailgate na rin po siya. Actually, it's a smart tailgate. Yan, buksan natin. Let's see. Buksan natin. Sobrang laki ng ingress and egress ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin. And of course, this is a 7-seaters. And kung wala naman pong uupo dito sa likuran, pwede rin po natin siyang i-fold. Let's see. Ang dali lang pati natin yung i-fold. Kita natin. Yan. It's a 50-50 split folding po. Yan, diba? Sobrang ganda, sobrang lawak po ng likod ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin. And of course, pwede rin po natin i-fold po yung second row natin kung hindi natin siya gagamitin or kung may mga ilalagay po tayo mga gamit or yung mga malalaking things po dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe. Pakita ko po yung button, ma'am. So yan, this is the button po. And then, pwede nyo po siyang, pakita nyo po. Yan. Nafo-fold po siya. Yan. Even dito, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta doon sa likod. Yan. Sobrang accessible po. Ay, easy access po yung Hyundai Santa Fe natin na hybrid. Yan. And kung gusto naman po siyang gamitin na ibalik sa dati, you can push ulit po yung button dito. Yan. Dito po. Yan. That's our amenities po ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin na sobrang ganda po talaga and very spacious po talaga siya. And para sa mga naghahanap ng 7-seaters na car na accessible, sobrang spacious po, tamang-tama po sa Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid natin. And of course, dito naman po tayo sa side natin. Let's proceed dito sa side and sa loob para mapakita ko po sa inyo. Yan. And ang dali lang po nitong pindutin lalo na sa aking height. So hindi ka na po mahihirapan pagtaas, baba, or pagsara ng ating power tailgate po sa hybrid car natin. And yes, buksan natin. I wanna show you the interior of our Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid. Sobrang ganda at sobrang premium. Yan. Very panoramic curved display din po with 12.3-inch digital cluster plus touchscreen wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto Wireless Charging Dual Zone with a climate control. And ito pa maganda sa Hyundai Santa Fe. We have a trivia po. Si Hyundai Santa Fe po, na-conceptualize siya nung panahon ng pandemic. That's why we have the sterilization po dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe natin. Kung halimbawa, very particular kayo sa mga phone, gusto niyo yung ma-sterilize, meron po dito tayo sa Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy and then the hybrid. Yan, ganda, no? Sobrang ganda. And of course, pa-check naman po natin yung loob. Sobrang spacious din po ng legroom and naka-power seats na rin po yung second row natin. And of course, lalo na yung mga matatangkad and yung mga nahihirapan po mag-akit baba, hindi po, dito po sa Santa Fe, sobrang ganda po and very easy po siya pag-akit baba. And of course, isa pa sa pinakamaganda dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe na hybrid natin, ang suspension niya, sobrang ganda ng suspension ni Hyundai Santa Fe. It's because we have the McPherson and then the multi-link suspension, diba? Sobrang easy access and hindi siya matagtag. Talagang sobrang mapapawaw ka talaga sa specs pa lang ni Hyundai Santa Fe. And of course, under the hood naman po tayo, or dito naman po tayo sa hood. Yan, buksan ko lang yung hood ng Santa Fe. Yan. Ito yung maganda dito sa Hyundai Santa Fe kasi hindi ka na mahihirapan as a girl, hindi ka na mahihirapan pagtaas ng mga hood natin kasi ang Hyundai Santa Fe is naka-hydraulic na po. Hydraulic na po yung hood natin. So I'm gonna show you po. Yan, o diba? Hindi mo na kailangan taasin talaga yung hood ng mga sakyan natin, especially this na calligraphic, lalo na ang bakal ni Hyundai sobrang kapal. Naka-advanced high-strength steel po siya. And ito pa maganda dito, this is the hybrid which is a combination of electric and the ICE. Super tipid and it's a parallel engine na, yung dinidiscuss nga kanina ni Ma'am Casey. Ito yung pinakamaganda sa Hyundai kasi hindi ka na mahihirapan and napakatalino ng sakyan natin kasi siya na yung mag-decide kung ano yung gagamitin niya, kung it's an electric or yung gasoline. Kaya super tipid po ng Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid natin with a horsepower of 235 and then the 367 Newton-meter torque. Grabe, diba? So, super powerful po talaga ng Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid natin. Super tipid, super smooth, and ready sa long drives or daily use. Kaya hindi ka na mahihirapan pa And of course, kahit fully loaded din with Hyundai Smart Sense, including na po dyan yung 360 camera natin, advanced high-strength steel, and of course yung anti-lock braking system, lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance assist, and meron po tayong surround view monitor, yun na yung 360 camera. And of course, included na rin po dyan yung 6 airbags po natin, and a lot more. Sobrang dami pa po. And naka-sunroof na rin po yung Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid natin. Actually po, lahat ng Hyundai Santa Fe natin, all variants din po, except dun sa GL na Santa Fe, lahat po yun naka-sunroof na rin po. And equipped na rin po siya ng Hyundai traction. Kaya sobrang ganda po ng Hyundai car natin. And ito pa, si Hyundai Santa Fe po natin, we offer 5 years warranty, bumper to bumper. And of course, for the Santa Fe electric po, which is the hybrid, we have warranty for the battery, which is 8 years. Yes po, you heard it right. Kaya sobrang ganda ng Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid natin. And of course, talagang kahit solo ka or with the whole family, mapapawaw ka and hindi ka mapapaisip na magagasolinahan ka. Kasi dito pa lang sa Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid, sobrang tipid na. Very fuel efficient po. And of course, so if you're looking for an SUV that's stylish, advanced, and family ready, check out the new Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid again. Sa mga naghahanap po, just look for me. I'm Marie France Castillo Datiles. I'm a certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Naga and Legazpi. Visit us and message us today to schedule your test drive. Thank you and see you again.
Guys, syempre, yung price ng Santa Fe, eto ang ating price. We have the entry variant. Actually, may bago din kaming Santa Fe yung GL, yung nasa 1.9. Guys, meron na tayong nasa 1.9, the Santa Fe GL. And then we have this GLS. It's 2.410, 2,410,000. And then the GLS all-wheel drive, it's 2,540,000. And then our calligraphy, 3.1 million. Guys, may promo po si Santa Fe, especially the calligraphy 8 DCT all-wheel drive. It's less 200,000 po. Si 3.1 may less tayong 200,000 for cash discount, and meron tayong 300,000 discount for financing discount. So for calligraphy, our HEV Santa Fe, it's 3,330,000 guys. So yan, narinig nyo na po at nakita yung iba't ibang hybrid models ng ating Hyundai brand. So, meron pa ba? Meron pa. Yes, meron pa po. And it's not one, but two. So ngayon, we will introduce to you the all-new Kona hybrid. And of course, the demonstrate po sa atin ay walang iba kundi ang ating isa sa mga top sales consultant ng Hyundai Naga City na si 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀𝙃. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Joms. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙧𝙞𝙀𝙃, Certified Sales Consultant here in Hyundai Naga City. Today, I am pleased to present the newest additional to our SUV lineup, the all-new Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Isang eco-friendly at tech-loaded subcompact SUV, perfect para sa city drive at long drive. Available ito sa GLS at premium variant. What we have here is the all-new GLS variant. Unang mapapansin ang wide grille, seamless LED daytime running lights at LED headlamps. Multi-faceted a reflector for GLS, while projector, LED headlamp for premium. Side view show off its sportiness design with its roof rail and stylish rim 17 wheels for GLS and rim 18 naman for premium. So ayan, mapapansin nyo, very sporty ang ating Kona. Sa likod, both have LED tail lamp, rear spoiler at burst lake bumper design. Pagpasok mo, very modern ang feel. You will greeted with its single panel 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a 12.inch digital instrumental cluster. Also comes with smart key at push start and engine remote start function. With leather seats and 10-way driver power seat and a dual zone auto climate control. And of course, safety is the top priority of Hyundai. 6 airbag is standard for both variants. It comes with anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. Premium variant also gets 360 camera with blind spot view monitor and also 360 parking sensor, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and a smart cruise control. Wow, grabe! Ang ganda ng ating Hyundai Creta and full pack na din ang ating mga features. Let's pop the hood. Under the hood, it's 1.6-liter hybrid engine plus electric motors, getting a combined power output of 141 per the start and a 44 Newton meters of torque. Mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, talagang matipid sa gas at very smooth ang takbo niya. So kung ang hanap mo ay isang stylish, practical at fuel-efficient SUV, the Hyundai Kona Hybrid is worth checking out. Once again, I'm Charmaine Sarte Abunita, Certified Sales Consultant. Visit us at Hyundai Rosario, Naga City. And thank you and drive safe with us.
Thank you, Sha. Thank you. Yan, guys. So, nakita niyo na yung ating bagong Kona. Actually po, yung naka-display dito is yung GLS variant lang siya. We have the premium variant of Kona, yung top of the line, and available siya today. Kaya lang, kakarating lang po siya, so hindi nakaabot for display namin. But you can visit us here in our showroom para makita nyo yung premium. And also, yun nga, as promised guys, hindi lang po apat yung papakita namin sa inyo ngayon na hybrid model. We also have surprise. So, hindi namin siya mai-display kasi po may nagmamay-ari na nung bagong unit na dumating. Kaya hindi po siya pwedeng i-display. Kasi po, i-release na siya tomorrow. By the way, yung price mo ng Kona natin, yung GLS variant is 1,528,000 and then ang ating GLS Premium is 1,688,000 po. So yon ang price ng ating Kona. Very affordable guys. At this specification models natin, yung mga prices po natin, value for money. Of course, yung price is, yun na po yung kayang-kaya naman nating bilhin. Ayan. Ready na ba ang ating surprise? So, eto na. Actually, first time ko siya makikita in actual, guys. Yung ating bagong Palisade. We have the new Palisade, the hybrid variant also. Ayan, guys. Makikita natin sa loob yung bagong hybrid na Palisade. Actually, yan na po yung bago natin na Palisade. Ayan, guys. Fresh from the carrier. Though, kinarush naman po siya. Ayan. Casey is checking it. Eto, guys. Itong top of the line ng ating Hyundai. The Palisade. Casey, take it away. Are you ready? Ayan. Ito.
Hello? Ayun, grabe, may konting pressure to kasi talaga this is the first time and nakaka-overwhelm na nakikita ko na ngayon si Palisade. Ang ganda naman talaga, no? So, let me give you, I am pleased to give a quick around of our all-new Hyundai Palisade, now officially available here in Hyundai Naga City. So this is Hyundai's flagship SUV, luxurious, powerful, and now hybrid. Now let's take a look at the stance muna ni hybrid. Sige, sir, pakita natin kung gaano kaganda si hybrid Palisade, no? So makita natin, no weak angle naman talaga. You stand at the front, the side, and even at the rear, no? Look at the front fascia, Sir Ian. We have this bold parametric shield LED headlamps with signature full with LED light bar across the front. Very striking and futuristic. Itong date running light. Turn signal lights. Bold and boxy and futuristic na say that. Now on the side, check natin on the side. On the side, you'll see it's a true full-size SUV. Over 5 meters long. Riding on a massive 21-inch alloy wheels. And yes, it comes with power tailgate sa likod. Andito tayo. It comes with power tailgate and panoramic sunroof. Now, let's step inside. Step inside, Sir Ian. Dito tayo. Okay. Wow. This is premium. Now, would you look at that? Look at the interior of our Palisade, from the materials of the Napa leather seats, captain seats that comes with power seats, and of course the sunroof, moonroof, and it comes with triple auto climate control. So yung mga passengers sa second row seats, they have their own temperature settings, and doon naman sa front meron din pong temperature settings po yung ating driver and front passenger. So of course we have 7-seater captain chairs finished in quality Napa leather, and of course it comes screen setup, 12.3 digital cluster, and another 12.3 touch. Speakers po nito is Bose speakers. And just the same with our Hyundai Santa Fe, this also comes with UVC sterilization tray. And of course, yung mga sides natin, makita natin meron doon parang lighting system. So we call it set color you like, it to your Eco, Normal, and Sporty. And also it comes with wireless charging and even fingerprint authentication for the driver. You can set actually 2 profile in this system. Now also it comes with integrated memory seats. So with it, pwede po natin iset yung upuan kung ano po yung gusto nating sitting configuration. Ayun. Ganda. Sige, pakita natin po yung interior natin. Yan. Ito po yung power seats niya. It comes with 12-way. You have lumbar and of course, you have all the options, no? And of course, from the inside, you get this safety features na forward collision. Kompleto din po, just like our Hyundai Santa Fe. Siyempre, mas maganda pa, no? Forward assist, smart cruise control, 360 surround view monitor with blind spot view monitor, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and 360 parking sensors. Yan, perfect for long family trips or executive rides. Now, Sir Ian, let's pop the hood. Pakita natin yung makina ni Hyundai Palisade. Okay, just the same with Hyundai Santa Fe. It comes with hydraulic hood, no? So, makita natin dito yung ating 2.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor and gasoline engine, boasting a power output of 334 horsepower and a torque of 422. Now, this car is mated with and comes with 4x4. Pero po, ladies and gentlemen, ang aming 4x4 po is we call it the 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙗𝙀 system. So basically, yung power or torque distribution niya is nagdedepende po siya sa kailangan ng sasakyan. Kung halimbawa, yung power na kailangan ng front wheels is 80% and yung rear naman is 20%. So siya na po yung nagdetekta. So yung ganda ng Palisade naman talaga. Looking naman talaga, diba? Ayun. So, even 5 or even 10 years from now, napaka-futuristic, nasa trend pa rin ang look nitong Hyundai Palisade natin. Alright? Okay, so now, so that's a wrap for our walk around for the Hyundai Palisade. Para sa mga gusto, of course, mag-avail ng ating newest addition to our family, please feel free to visit our dealership. And we have, of course, our beautiful and handsome sales consultant to assist you happily. Ano po? So, Ma'am Zoms, may we call in our sales manager?
Ayan, thank you, Miss
Okay, dito po
Casey.
tayo.
Talagang hindi ko na alam kung alin ang pipiliin ko sa mga variants na to. So, yan, nakakatuwa at nakakataba ng puso na makita ang ating new hybrid. Case, thank you for the
Ayun, ang ganda.
Mabilisang
Walk around.
Walk around ng Palisade. Actually, for schedule pa lang yung training ng Palisade.
Yes, oo.
Kaya si Casey, bilis niya, no, guys? Kakabilib tong babaeng to talaga. As in. So, kung may mga questions po kayo, huwag kayong mahiya na mag-message or comment sa amin. Kasi syempre, we're not perfect. And we're still learning from all this what's this?
New era of mobility, yes.
Yan.
Pero of course, ayun na nga, no, you have all the options here in Hyundai Naga. If you are opting for a full gasoline engine, we have units to offer. And if you are looking for a diesel engine, meron din po tayo niyan. And if you are looking for maximized fuel efficiency potential, meron tayo mga hybrid models dito sa Hyundai Naga. So, ayun, makita natin yung mga walk-around ng mga sales consultant natin, Ma'am Zoms. May mga common factors po yung mga hybrid models natin. When it comes to safety, talaga makita natin na top priority ni Hyundai ang safety na ating mga sasakyan. Yung Hyundai Smart Sense niya, ma'am, na meron siyang mga automatic braking all over the car pagka inattentive yung driver. And of course, all SUVs merong sunroof. And lahat naman ng units na meron tayo dito is very futuristic and modern yung looks, no, Ma'am Zoms?
Yes. Yes, talaga.
Ayun.
Oo, nakakabilib ang Hyundai.
Ayun, yes.
Oo. Hindi tayo magpapahuli. Actually, naunap na tayo sa kanila.
Matagal na, Ma'am Zoms, tayong itong hybrid technology na to, matagal na tayong meron with Hyundai.
Yes.
Actually, in addition po sa mga advantage ni Hyundai naman over hybrid ng nasa market nowadays, no? Alam naman natin po na when it comes to reliability, our brand offers premium after sales. We offer 5 years warranty bumper to bumper, 8 years warranty naman for the battery. Not only that po, when it comes to after sales care naman po, maganda po sa Hyundai is meron tayong service centers all over the Philippines, Ma'am Zom. So hindi po mahirapan yung mga hybrid owners natin when it comes to after sales. So worry-free ownership tayo, no, ma'am? And when it comes to hybrid system, ulitin ko lang po, gaya na sinabi ko kanina, hindi po komplikado ang hybrid system natin. Again, our hybrid is parallel hybrid na the engine and electric motor somehow can stand alone, and at the same time po, hindi po siya kailangan i-charge. So, nagsa-self-charging po ang ating hybrid models. Ayun. And again, sobrang matipid.
Yan. Okay. So, nakaka-overwhelm talaga ang ating hybrid. But anyways, guys, day 1 pa lang to. So, day 1 pa lang ng ating activity ang mga pinakita namin ngayon. And of course, without our sponsors, our partners, hindi siya matutuloy. So, nagpapasalamat kami for all the partners, our bank partners, our trading partners, our major sponsors, the Standard Insurance, our third-party Babam Care Services, and also, we also have our caterer. Thank you, Urban Wood Naga. And then to IMJ Interactive, as usual. Ang aming favorite na talagang over-supported sa amin. Thank you, IMJ.
And Ledtronics as well, Ma'am Zom.
Yes. By the way, guys, we also have branches in 𝙃𝙮𝙗𝙗, and also in Legazpi. So in Legazpi po, magkakaroon din kami ng ganitong setup on August 7 and 8. So we are inviting all the Albayanos to watch our live stream in Albay on August 7 and 8. And also we would like to invite media content creator, and then yung ating mga vloggers. Sana po makavisit pa din kayo sa amin doon sa Albay. And then yung ating mga business partners, bank partners, please do attend our live and the showroom activity on August 7 and 8. Guys, tomorrow hindi pa tayo tapos. Tomorrow again is another day.
Yes.
Miss Casey.
Ayun, so gaya ng nasabi ni Ma'am Zoms, we also have media and content creators tomorrow. So from 10 a.m. Onwards, may mga mag-feature and then mag-visit dito sa ating showroom. Sa mga gusto din humabol, feel free to visit our showroom. Not only our media and content creators, all customers, you are all invited to visit our showroom to check out our promos with our Hyundai lineup, our service and accessories promos, and also the standard insurance promos.
Yes. So what an incredible day, Casey.
Yes.
And to all of the guys here, hello, yung mga andito pa, thank you. And thank you po sa mga pumunta kanina ng mga banks like PNB,
AUB, and BDO branches, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you.
Metrobank.
Thank you sa pag-visit. And yung other partners namin with insurance also, thank you po. Today, we introduced more than just new models. The Kona, Elantra, Santa Fe, Tucson Hybrid, and of course, the Palisade. We introduced a vision for the future. A future that's smart, sustainable, and aligned with the evolving needs of the Filipino driver. Hyundai is proud to lead the way in this journey, and we're even prouder to do it with the support of all of you, our customers, partners, guests, and media. We hope this event not only showcased our passion for innovation, but also our deep commitment to building a better, greener future for all. Thank you once again for your presence, your trust, and your continued support. Enjoy the rest of the day. Casey,
Yes.
come here please, my partner, my beloved partner. Come here.
Ayun, so thank you ulit po sa lahat na nanonood.
Yan.
And sa lahat na pumunta and sa mga ating nagaganda, nagwagwapuan mga sales consultant.
Yes, oo.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you for my sales team. Mamape. May
Mamape.
back room. Hindi po magpapakita. Dapat nandito din siya.
Oh, yes, si Mamape.
Thank you.
Kat.
Si Kat. Si
Si
Jess.
Erica.
Si Jazz. Si Erica. Si Venus. And
Yes.
all our si Jaime, PDI.
Kuya Jaime and Kuya Moy.
And also yung ating mga nag-present. Thank you, Franz, Asha, Jo,
And Zara.
And Zara. So yun yung mga ladies natin and yung mga ahente ko dyan na mga talagang super supportive.
Yes.
And kanina po, nagkaroon din kami ng motorcade.
Yun.
So yan.
Thank you so much.
So thank you. Again, tomorrow po.
Live ulit tayo, ma'am. And then we are excited sa mga pupunta to feature our new lineups of hybrid models.
Yes.
All right. So
thank you
I think that's
good day.
Good day. A brand new day with you day. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye po.